soul. You make me whole. Even in the valley, I won't fear any evil. Your rod and staff, they comfort me. You're always here, surrounding me.
Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. In green pastures, rest is what I got. Beside still waters, takes my